thunderstorm warning for southwestern Barron County in northwestern Wisconsin, southeastern Polk County in northwestern Wisconsin, northwestern Dunn County, St. Croix County, until 4 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Star Prairie, or 23 miles northeast of River Falls, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Baldwin, Hammond, Woodville, New Richmond, Star Prairie, Knapp, Ceylon, Emerald, Glenwood City, Forest, Boyceville, Amory, Clear Lake, Wheeler, Clayton, Ridgeland, Prairie Farm, Turtle Lake, Arlen, and Dallas. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Barron, Dunn, Polk, and St. Croix.